see how fast I can go on life. Cboesch. I'm gonna do this for the low mainly though, because if I don't make it to the top of this game or whatnot, I'm gonna be like, oh no, what am I gonna do? But I made my shot, I tell you that much. It comes 2, like 3, and then there's 4, and I'm like, wow, they all gonna be like, how did he go that hard? I'm like, I don't even know the Lord for sure. And then I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm posting this for money. Hopefully y'all enjoy the rain too. Hey, I see both. Living on myself. What you doing, Judy?